Ever been really excited to go out somewhere with a friend, to somewhere that you love, but when you get there, they're just not as into it as you? It's not a great feeling, is it? That feeling that you get when your friend just isn't quite as into it as you are, well, that's often the feedback that we get from candidates when they see boring job adverts or job descriptions out there that don't really speak to their motivations and their needs when it comes to looking for a role that's going to advance their career. When you're recruiting a role in your business, make sure that you put the spotlight on why a candidate will be interested in this opportunity. It's easy to list off all the reasons that you know this role is a great opportunity, is going to offer loads of progression, and is a really key lever in your business at the moment. But your business needs to translate this into a compelling reason why the right candidate should see your opportunity as the vehicle they need to move their career forwards. Starting with your mindset, moving through to the job description, the job advert, the comms throughout the process, the feedback and the offer, the whole candidate experience needs to sell to the needs of the candidate. If you don't keep the spotlight and the focus on the candidate's needs throughout that process and that candidate experience, then somebody else will do, and they are going to get the candidate that you want. It's just the same as planning a trip with a friend. If you want them to have a good time, take them somewhere where they want to go.